Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be making a beautiful maxi gather dress. So now let's go over to the drafting stage. The half length is 16 inches. I will go ahead and add 1 inch, making it 17 inches. Okay, so I'll go ahead and join the lines together. Guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. The bust point is 10.5 inches. Minus 1.5 will give me 9 inches. Minus 1.5 will give me 9 inches. The 9 inches will be the armhole. So the armhole is 9 inches, while the bust point is 1.5. Okay, now the shoulder is 16 inches. Shoulder is 16.5 inches. Okay, 16.5 divided into 2 will give me 8 1/4. This is 8 1/4 here. Then at the armhole side, I'll remove 1 inch, making it 7 1/4. The same 7 1/4 here. Then I'll join the line to connect the lines together. For the neckline, I'm using 3.5 inches. This 3.5 inches. Okay, it's a high neckline. I will use 2 inches. Okay, for the armhole, I'll mark 6 cm here. Now I'll mark angle of 45 degrees here. Okay, then I'll connect the point. Go ahead and mark 1 inch upward. Then at this shoulder line, to get the shoulder slope from the 1 inch I removed here, I'll mark 1 inch down and 1 inch here. Then I'll go ahead and connect it to this point. I'll connect this point, and this point. So I'll connect it like so. I'm supposed to use my master color. Sorry, I'm supposed to use my pattern master, but I'm not with it now, so I have to make use of this to join the curve. Okay, then I'll connect this to this. Just want to blend it very well. Okay, now from the bust point here, from the bust point, I'll be taking for the dart. I'll mark 4 inches for the dart. Then I'll remove ½ inch from this side and ½ inch from this side. Okay, this is for the dart. Now the waist measurement is 35 inches divided into 4 will give me 8 3/4. This is 8 3/4 here. Then I'll add 1 inch for the dart, then 2.5 inches for the allowance. Okay, now go ahead and join the lines together. Just make a straight line from this down one. Okay, I've connected it. So we have actually drafted out for this for the front, and I'll use it for the back as well. Just the difference is that I'll be adding 1 inch for the zip allowance. Okay, so I'll go ahead and cut this out. The armhole is 20 inches. So by the time I measure this, you can see I already have 20 inches for the armhole. So this is for the excess. So everything is okay and perfect. The next thing is to cut out the pattern. Okay, before I cut it out, I'll as well put bust darts. From this bust point, just go ahead and remove half an inch from this side and half an inch from this side. Okay, then I'll connect it to the bust point. Okay, I stopped at exactly 3 inches from this line, that is the center, the middle here. From this point to this point is 3 inches. So I'm not going to touch it until I'm done cutting out the back. When I'm done cutting out the back, then I will have to open this and cover it to cut for the front. So the armhole, remember, is 20 inches divided into 2 will give me 10. So I already have 10 here. So I will not cut out both the neckline. I'll just place it on my fabric to cut. Now this is for the back. I've folded my fabric into 2 and I've placed my pattern on it. But for the zip allowance, I added 1.5 inches for the zip allowance. Now from this back side, I will remove half an inch. Okay. So I remove half an inch. Now blend it to this point. Then the neckline I will use is 1 inch for the back. For the back I will use 1 inch. Remember, we are using 2 inches for the front, but for the back we'll use 1 inch. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. Then I'll remove the half an inch. This is to avoid the bulging at the back. So what I have here as the zip allowance is exactly 1 inch here. Remember, it's 1.5 inches. So I remove half an inch. That is one. This is for the back. Now to cut out the front, I have to open this from the bust point line. Then I have to overlap it. Just take it. So overlap the half inch. Okay. Okay, then I'll cut out the front. I've already overlapped it, so I'll cut out the front. Now I'll go ahead and cut out the front. Start from the neckline 2 inches. Now this for the front. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends. Keep watching for more styles, and bye until I see my next video.